Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about inpainting with a Flux.2 Klein model. First, what is inpainting? In image editing, inpainting means you cover a specific part of an image with a mask. Then the model only fills in or replaces that mask area while trying to match the surrounding details. For example, we can use Flux.2 Klein to add a pair of sunglasses to the guy sitting in the back, or we can remove sunglasses from the man sitting in the front. To show all the techniques and different situations in this video, I built a workflow on Running Hub. It's a cloud platform for Comfy UI. If you want to learn more, you can find the link in the video description. Okay, let's start with adding sunglasses to the man sitting in the back. Do we really need to open the mask editor and paint over his eyes? Logically, Flux.2 Klein should understand who the man in the back is, right? Let's test it. My prompt is, have the man sitting at the back wear the sunglasses. And here is the reference image of the sunglasses we want to use. Now let's run the workflow. Alright. We do see sunglasses on the man in the back, but they don't like the sunglasses we wanted. Let's compare this with the original image. It turns out the sunglasses on the man sitting in the front got changed instead. Let's double check the reference sunglasses image we uploaded. Well, the reference sunglasses are actually on the man in the front, not the man in the back, so Flux.2 Klein picked the wrong target. This is a good example of why we sometimes need a mask. Even if our prompt sounds clear, Flux.2 Klein may still need extra guidance, so it edits the exact area we want. Now let's try a different task. I'm going to switch the reference image. This time, I want to add this dog into the group photo. I'll update the prompt to have the dog sit next to the woman. Now let's run the workflow. Okay, the dog is in the group photo, but it's sitting on the woman's legs instead of sitting next to her like I asked. So again, Flux.2 Klein doesn't always understand the exact meaning of our prompts. When that happens, masking can help guide the model. Let's find the group photo and open the mask editor. I'm going to brush the area next to the woman. Make sure the masked area is large enough to fit the dog. Now we'll use the Inpaint crop node. This crops a square image based on the mask we just brushed. You can set the crop size here. I already saved a few square sizes to choose from. You select the size by changing this index value. In this example, the original image is 4000 by 2667. I think a 2048 by 2048 square is enough to cover the mask area. The index for 2048 is 4, so I'll set the index to 4. Now I want to temporarily deactivate the other node groups so we can focus only on this part. Let's run the workflow. Now you can see the cropped image is 2048 by 2048. Flux.2 Klein will repaint this cropped image, not the full uploaded image. You can also preview the mask here. Notice there is plenty of space around the mask area. That extra space helps Flux.2 Klein match the lighting and blend the dog into the photo more naturally. You can control how much extra space you get by changing the context from mask extend factor setting. This decides how much area around the mask is included in the crop. Now let's activate the other node groups again and run the full workflow. Nice! The dog blends into the group photo much more naturally now. The placement also looks better than before, and the dog is not blocking anyone. And here's another big benefit of masking for inpainting. The final output image stays at 4000 by 2667, which matches the original upload. If we don't use a mask, the model tries to repaint the entire image. But Flux.2 Klein is not meant to repaint a huge image like this in one pass. Either your VRAM can't handle it, or even if it can, you may get a lot of quality problems in the final result. So without a mask, the image can get downgraded during the editing process. Let me show you what that looks like with another example. This time, we are going to add a random cat into the group photo. I'll open the mask editor and clear the mask. The third group is used to load the reference image, so I'll deactivate that group since we don't need a reference image now. And I'll change the prompt to add a cat into the group shot. Now let's run the workflow. The cat was added successfully, but notice the final image size is now 2048 by 1360. In this workflow, I limit the size using an image resize node. This workflow is smart enough to work whether you use a mask or not, because I built conditional checks into the process. This is mask empty node checks if a mask exists. If there is a mask, Flux.2 Klein repaints the cropped area. If the mask is empty, then the model repaints the resized uploaded image. Alright, that's it for this video. If you like this workflow, please join our community and support the channel. The link is in the video description, and feel free to subscribe if you want to learn more about Flux.2 Klein. See you in the next video.